For Action News, I'm Mana Dulosky with your health news update. Think babies should be slim and trim? Think again. A new study suggests heavier babies tend to do better in school. And what would be the optimal weight? According to researchers, 10 pounds. The new data suggests fetuses would actually benefit by staying longer in the womb, adding at least a quarter pound per week. But researchers say weight isn't the final word. For example, nurture plays a role too. Children with less weight and of educated parents tend to do better in school than heavier babies of high school dropouts. Of all the side effects a person must endure during chemotherapy, nausea and vomiting are perhaps the most feared and the most debilitating. CINV has two stages, acute and delayed. Thankfully, Zofran, a drug approved back in the 80s, has worked wonders in the acute stage of nausea and vomiting. Yet it fails in the delayed stage. But the problem may be a thing of the past. The FDA has just approved a two-drug combination that prevents more than 90% of CINV in the delayed phase. The advancement is significant as people who otherwise cannot tolerate chemotherapy can now finish an entire course of treatment. Finally, we cannot understand why, but many people still fear life-saving defenses like vaccines, especially the flu shot. But the reality is, flu season is here, and the CDC recommends anyone 6 months of age or older be vaccinated each year, with a few exceptions. And yet the myths of vaccine safety continue. Unfortunately, they aren't limited to the flu shots. A recent New York Times article states many parents are still attempting to have their children exempt from vaccines required to attend public schools. Thankfully, pediatricians are taking a stand and refusing medical attention to children who haven't been vaccinated. To read more on these stories and others, you can head to our website, aksha.org, and while you're there, don't forget to also sign up for your daily dose of news delivered straight to your inbox. For Action News, I'm Mana Dulosky.